In this video, I will show you how to remove just middle name in Microsoft Excel. So copy your name list, single or multiple names. Now paste anyway. So in my case, I want to paste here. Now paste as value, copy and paste as value. Now select list, then Control F. Now Control H to open the Find and Replace dialog box. Now here you have to type space, press the one time space bar, then asterisk, shift 8 number key on your keyboard to type this symbol. Star, you can say this star, then space. So space, star and space replace with one time space. Now replace all. Click on OK and close it. So we can see this way we can remove middle name. A similar way you can remove first name or last name. So to remove first name or last name, and you have the two names, so select it, then here click on replace, and here space, then asterisk, and replace with one time space, then replace all. So this way you can remove last name if you have the two name. Similar way you can write remove last name or first name or middle name using this space and asterisk, then space, and using this replace find. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.